Hello everyone. So in this video, let's look at another advanced Python concept, which is the lambda function. Lambda functions are an alternate way of writing functions in Python. And basically, there are several advantages and disadvantages to using lambda function. One of the main advantages, if you want to reduce the number of lines in your code, the best way to do that is by using lambda function. And also, let's say you have a function in your program that you're going to be using very few number of times, so in that case, if you want to save again the number of lines in your code, you can do that by using lambda function. So the way a lambda function is defined is shown in this example here. So basically you use the keyword lambda, and then you declare the variables that are being used, and then the operation that you want to perform, separated by a colon. So in order to demonstrate this, let's actually look at a regular function sum, which takes in two values and returns a sum. So now if I run this cell here, you see we can get 25, which is the sum of 10 and 15. So now let's make this into a lambda function. And also, as I mentioned before, lambda function can help you reduce the number of lines in your code. This is because you can combine the function definition, the return statement, and the call all in one line. So let's do that. The way we do that is by first using the print function, and then you add two more round brackets inside the print function. In the first one, you call the lambda function. So the way we do that is by using lambda, and then you define the variables, separate them out by a semicolon, and then you input the operation that you want to perform, or this is the equivalent of the return statement over here. And then for the function call, you use the second round braces here. So basically you pass in the same numbers just as a comparison. So now you can see that both the function definition, the operation, as well as the call, all being done in one line. So now if I run this cell again, we get the same answer. So this is how a lambda function works in Python.